today we're going to make a pulled pork barbecue in slow cooker. And I washed it. It is 8 pounds. I patted it dry, and I'm going to make the seasoning and put the rub for it and get it in there and get it going.
Yeah, you're touching raw pork. You always want to be careful when you're touching or handling raw pork to not handle other items and to wash your hands. Okay, so we ditched the gloves and we're getting some new gloves on here. So what are you putting in this rub?
We are putting in a tablespoon of kosher coarse salt if you have it, 1 tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of packed brown sugar, or more. We're going to use more brown sugar, and we're going to use water. And towards the end, at the end of the cooking, we'll put barbecue sauce with it after we pull it apart. So, what do we have? A teaspoon of brown sugar.
That's a lot more than a teaspoon of brown sugar.
Nah, it's close. One thing I will stick with, not more salt. And we put a tablespoon in here.
That's plenty. What is that? Going over.
Paprika, I will use a little more. It holds the seasoning on it. If you were going to barbecue on a grill, you really want some extra paprika. So, 1 tablespoon, perfect.
Oh boy, that's a lot of paprika.
Let me see here. We have it's a big piece of pork anyway, so
That's
in case some blow away. 1 teaspoon. I know I'm putting out much more in, but 1 teaspoon. I know I'm using a tablespoon.
okay.
Yes.
That's a lot of pepper.
Pepper's good, you know. Plus it's a nice big 8 pounds. Over 8 pounds, 8.2 pounds.
You need a spoon to stir that?
I probably use my fingers, but okay. Let's use this little spoon right here.
And you're just going to rub that on the meat?
Yep.
You don't have to sear the meat or anything first?
Nope.
Okay.
Then when you wash it, pat it down, and you know that, and put this on there.
We always go big.
So this is
big or go
8.2 pounds here, so I need a little bit more here.
Right.
And so
The motto here is go big or go home. We don't do anything in a small way.
I'm calling for a little bit of oil in here, just to make sure nothing that's going to stick, just in case. That's it. And this is it. Let me get I'm going to need a cup. Maybe a little more since it's pretty big here. Though at the end we're going to use we'll put barbecue sauce in at the end. So yeah, this goes in here. And I hate that. I try not to put wash all the rub off, so just Put the water on the side there. And just,
All right, so now that's about it for right now, right?
yep, it's gonna be a few minutes. And we'll have it ready. I had to use my amplifier. Why? Cord, I can't find the short one that.
Okay. So this should cook for how long?
5 to 6 hours, slow cook. Well, we'll put it on high if you have your electric slow cooker. And if you have,
If you have a pressure cooker, you can
the
probably...
pressure cooker will be less time, for certain.
This is a pressure cooker too, so and you
Yeah.
can cook it either way, in a pressure cooker or a slow cooker.
Yeah, if you had
Just
to,
adjust the time.
yes, if you had to maybe do a hybrid cook job. And we're gonna go with a slow cook. I'll go with 6 hours just for the heck of it here. And start.
Okay, we'll check back with you later. Show you. So this has been cooking for 4 hours. Okay, so we have the roast here now. We're gonna just check it to see, if it's done. Go ahead. Jimmy.
I think it
it needs
needs
more.
a little more, yes. Okay.
Okay, so it needs a little more.
It should fall right apart.
Yeah.
Is what we want.
That's what I told
And
you.
then I'll drain it.
Okay, so we're gonna put it on a little more in the pressure cooker now. All right, so it's finished cooking. We've drained the juice that was in there and we've taken off a little of the fat that was on the outside of it. Now we're gonna shred it up with these claws. These are very good claws. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link there. I can't see the claws. Okay. Yeah, okay, and if in case you wanna get some, but they're very easy and they shred very easily, as you can see. So we're going to shred this up and then we're going to add the barbecue sauce once we have it all shredded. So I'm going to get that done, take the bone out, and we'll be showing you what the end result looks like. Okay, so we took the pork out of the pressure cooker. We removed any, visible fat or anything, and the bones, shredded it up with the claws. And now we're going to add the barbecue sauce. We just put some barbecue sauce in and then we'll mix it around until we get it, the right way. And this is just a hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce that I'm using. And I'm holding the camera when I'm trying to do this, so it's a little bit awkward. But I'm going to just keep, mixing it and adding the barbecue sauce until you want to add the.
Let me stir it up. How much did you put in?
Only a little bit.
I
So
probably need like at least 2 cups. So
I know. So
I sometimes make a little concoction with it, with a little mustard and stuff.
that's okay. All right, I'll try that now.
I've used some balsamic vinegar and barbecue sauce.
Okay, and once we have it mixed up, you can serve it on, ciabatta bread or rolls or whatever you like.
Or on a plate.
Or just eat it plain.
I think this might be good. Now, I think one was finished.
So I'm going to plate it and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so there it is, all done on ciabatta bread. I'm going to enjoy it. I had a little taste, it's delicious. If you try it, let us know. And let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you. We'd appreciate it. Everybody take care. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.